Create 2D pie chart for full name and percentage columns. For this, select all the first name cells and percentage cells by holding Ctrl button and left-clicking mouse and dragging from the first row till the last rows of each column. You may select the headings too if needed. I haven't selected. Now go to Insert section and select Insert Pie option, then select 2D Pie. Customize design and colors if needed. Resize to fit and drag to reposition. Check customization options from top right corner of the pie chart or chart design ribbon in Excel.